Hello all of you. Welcome again on my YouTube tutorial channel, that is the Solution Hub. I'm back with cool secret features and the tricks of the Google search. This video will make you smarter than you are and make your impression to the others. So if you want to be master in Google search, then don't skip this video, watch till the end. So without wasting, let's start the tutorial. So one of the most popular trick on the Google search is simply go to the Google and type do a barrel roll. Do a barrel roll. Search it in the search box and the page will rotate twice. I'll say it again. You search it and the page will rotate twice. So it is very cool one. Now the second one is just go to the Google and type Atari breakout and search it. The images will appear transform into the blocks. Just click on that first one. You will see that images which is appeared and will transform into the blocks, and now you can play a game. I would like to know your highest score in this game. You can comment in the comment box below. Now come to the third one. Just go to the Google and type Google Gravity. Google Gravity. Search it by the search box and the first one, click on the first one, and now click on the I'm feeling lucky. Now it will redirect you to the one of the most fun. Now you can move the all blocks anyway in this screen. You can see this is the one of the most fun things in the Google search. Most of the guys don't know about this, so you can make an impress with these tricks. So stay with me. So fourth one is just go to the Google. Just go to the Google and type Pac-Man. Search it, and now you can play a Pac-Man game. Just click on the link. It's opening. Okay. Okay, now you can play the Pac-Man game by moving your finger up, down, right, up, down, left, right, just like this. Just like you can make a fun and you can make an impression with your fans. Okay, now the fifth one, that is go to the Google. Go to the Google and type Jug Rush and search it. This is Google fun trick. Will make your impression in the front of your friends. Just type the Jug Rush and search by the search box. And the first one, click on the first one. And now you will see what is happening in your screen. On your screen, you can see it is removing all the blocks which is given on your window screen. So it will be the most of the fun things, and it will be most tricky things. The most of the guys don't know about this tricks. You can make up good impression with your friends on your friends. So the sixth one, just go to the Google and type play snake. And the first one, just click on the first link and click on the start, and now you can play a snake game like this, and you can move the snake by the moving finger up, down, right, left, just like this. And I would like to know your highest score in this game in comment box. So now move to the seventh one, that is go to the Google and type the seventh one is that to search a specific file type. For example, if you want to the PDF file, then you can directly search the file. For example, Chetan Bhagat book, and give the colon and give the PDF, write the PDF. It will redirect you at the PDF form to download. You can see. The eighth feature is very important to you to get information of any website. Just go to the Google and type info colon and the URL of the specific website, for example www.facebook.com. Just click it and it will redirect you the information of that website, about of that website. So the ninth one is very important to you all, so listen carefully, watch carefully. So just go to the Google and type find my phone and click on the second link, and you have to sign in with your email ID. Just sign in with your email ID and it will give you that live location of your mobile phone, and it will give you the more feature. For example, play sound, secure device, erase device. Even when you forget your phone in your room and you don't remember where is your phone actually situated, and the phone is in silent, then you can find it by playing the sound. Let me show you the demo. I will put my phone in silent mode and it will play the sound in loud. You can see over here. So easily you can find your phone by this feature. You also can secure your device. So the last one and the cool one is T-Rex game. T-Rex game. This one. You can just simply type the T-Rex game and you can play the very cool. To jump this dinosaur, just click on the screen, and I would like to know the highest score in this game in the comment box. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, just click on the like button and subscribe the channel and share this with your friends. So thank you for watching. See you soon.